Here at the National Home Show with Regarding Luxury TV, and we're filming all the best things at the show. Come with me as we check out the latest in home renovation. I'm here with True North Inflatables, and you're Jonathan.
Jonathan, thank you for dropping by.
Yes.
And coming by in your heels on our dock.
Inflatable dock too, but it's been good and I didn't deflate your dock.
You didn't. It stayed inflated. It's all made with a military grade PVC.
Wow.
It's very attractive. It's designed to look like teak. And this is actually a dock that you can use off the back of your boat. You can use it as a replacement dock, but it's guaranteed to be fun wherever you take it.
Awesome. And even our chairs are inflatable.
Very comfortable chairs.
They're so comfortable. And tell me about your paddle boards, because that's very exciting.
So paddle boards are so popular because it's a great way to exercise, gets you out on the water, and in most cases, you're doing it by yourself. So it's very calm. It's very great for your for clearing your head, especially if you're in the city.
Yeah.
Look behind us here, we have a water hammock. So this is a dock, but it's got a playground built into the middle of it.
It's great for the family.
Yeah, so you can sit in the middle, enjoy the water, but not be underwater. We've got a bunch of different boards, and then we've got an incredible catamaran there. So
Cool.
this is a catamaran that will literally fold up and go in your closet. So anybody can boat, anybody can get on the water.
Amazing. It's even got speakers.
It does.
Wow.
Built-in speakers. So
I love it.
whether it's morning, noon, or night, we can get you on the water and you can have a great time.
You got to come to the National Home Show and see True North Inflatables right here at the show. This is the barrel sauna. Let's check it out. It's $16,359 for the barrel sauna. Long-lasting kiln-dried wood. Let me go inside. Ooh, it's so nice. Wow, I love this. It even has a reclining bed. Great, so this is meant to go outdoors in my backyard.
It can survive outdoors. It's sunproof, heatproof. There's nice different accessories. You can have knife blocks, have every storage for your utensils. You can do natural gas or propane. There's burners. We have a sink unit.
Awesome, cool. I know exactly what I'm planning for my backyard reno now. I'm gonna call Cubu.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Perfect.
How much? This unit, $45,000.
Backyard Golf Greens, we're here. You can check them out at backyardgolfgreens.com. Tell me about these golf greens. It's perfect for the cottage.
Absolutely. Even if you're not a golfer, you can't not like the look. It's clean. It requires very little maintenance. Multifunctional as well. You can have all kinds of other activities on it besides golf. $25 to $30 a square foot installed, everything from the preparation right through to the finished product.
And I love that it's pet friendly too.
Very much.
Thank you so much, Andy.
You're welcome.
Have a great show.
All right, thank you.
I found Action Home Services at the National Home Show, and it is definitely the place to be. I think I'm going to put one of these in my backyard this summer. Thanks for watching Regarding Luxury TV. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest in luxury living.